Ho ho ho, boost your sales this Christmas with SEO! Hey there, business owners and marketers! The holiday season is here, and it's the perfect time to ramp up your sales. We all know Christmas is one of the busiest shopping seasons of the year, and today, we're diving into the top 5 SEO strategies that can help you boost your sales this Christmas. Now, you might be thinking, Neil, SEO during the holidays, isn't that a bit much? Trust me, folks, it's not. In fact, it's the perfect time to capitalize on the increased online traffic and shopping frenzy. So grab yourself a cup of hot cocoa, get cozy by the fire, and let's unwrap these tips, shall we? The first strategy is all about seasonal keywords. Think of it like this. Every year, shoppers turn into online elves hunting for those perfect gifts and holiday deals. But instead of using maps and compasses, they use search engines. That's where your SEO strategy comes in. You need to align your content with what these holiday shoppers are looking for. And how do you do that? By tapping into the power of seasonal keywords. These are the specific words and phrases people use when searching for holiday-related products and services. Now you might be wondering, Neil, how do I find these magical keywords? Well, fear not, my friends. There are some fantastic tools out there that can help. Google Keyword Planner is a great place to start. It's free and gives you direct insights into what people are searching for on Google. Another powerful tool is Ahrefs. It's a bit more advanced, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Ahrefs will not only show you relevant keywords, but also give you insights into your competitors' strategies. Think about it. Shoppers are looking for everything from best Christmas gifts for dads to holiday discounts on winter coats. Your job is to sprinkle those keywords throughout your website. Optimize your product pages, your blog posts, even your meta descriptions. Those little snippets that appear under your website's title in search results. And here's a pro tip. Don't forget about long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases like eco-friendly Christmas gifts for teenage girls or last-minute stocking stuffers under $20. Long-tail keywords are your secret weapon because they target a more specific audience and often have less competition. Remember, the goal is to make it super easy for those online elves to find you. By optimizing your website with the right seasonal keywords, you'll be well on your way to attracting more traffic and boosting those holiday sales. Our next strategy is all about giving your audience what they crave during the holidays: valuable, engaging, and festive content. Think of it like decorating your website for the holidays, but instead of tinsel and lights, you're using blog posts, videos, and infographics. People are hungry for ideas during the holidays, whether it's finding the perfect gift, whipping up a delicious Christmas dinner, or decorating their homes. And that's where you come in. You have the opportunity to become their go-to resource, their digital Santa Claus, if you will. So, what kind of content should you create? Let's start with blog posts. If you're a clothing retailer, you could create a blog post on holiday party outfit ideas or top winter fashion trends. If you're a tech company, how about a gift guide for tech lovers or best gadgets to stay connected during the holidays? But don't stop there. Videos are a fantastic way to engage your audience and showcase your products or services in action. You could create gift wrapping tutorials, holiday recipe videos, or even behind-the-scenes peeks at your holiday preparations. Infographics are another great way to present information in a visually appealing and shareable format. Create infographics on holiday decorating tips, gift-giving etiquette, or even fun facts about Christmas traditions. And here's the key. Make sure your content is tailored to the holidays. Don't just slap a Santa hat on your usual content and call it a day. Get creative, have fun, and most importantly, provide value to your audience. Remember, the goal is to establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry, someone who understands the needs and wants of your audience during this special time of year. Chapter 3. Mobile Merry Optimize for Mobile Shopping. Let's face it, we live in a mobile-first world. And during the holidays, this becomes even more important. People are shopping on the go, while waiting in line for Santa, at holiday parties, even sneaking in some last-minute shopping on Christmas Eve. That's why our third strategy is all about making sure your website is mobile-friendly. You want to create a smooth and enjoyable shopping experience for your customers, no matter what device they're using. First and foremost, your website needs to load quickly on mobile devices. Did you know that a 1-second delay in page load time can lead to a 7% reduction in conversions? During the holiday season, when people are short on time and patience, that can make a huge difference. Next, Ensure your website's navigation is intuitive and easy to use on a smaller screen. People should be able to find what they're looking for quickly and easily without having to pinch and zoom their way around. And let's not forget about the checkout process. This is where many online retailers drop the ball, especially on mobile. Make sure your checkout process is streamlined, secure, and easy to complete on a mobile device. Now you might be wondering, how do I know if my website is mobile friendly? Well, my friends, Google has a fantastic tool for that. It's called the Mobile Friendly Test. Just head over to Google and type in Mobile Friendly Test, and you'll be able to enter your website's URL and see how it stacks up. To make mobile shopping even more seamless, consider enabling features like one-click purchasing for returning customers. And don't forget about digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. These allow customers to make purchases quickly and securely without having to enter their credit card information every time. Remember, mobile optimization is not just a nice-to-have. It's a must-have for any business that wants to succeed in today's digital landscape, especially during the holiday season. Chapter 4. Local SEO is where it's at. Now this next tip is especially important for all you brick-and-mortar businesses out there. While online shopping is huge during the holidays, don't forget about those last-minute shoppers who prefer to browse in person. That's where local SEO comes in. It's all about making sure your business shows up in local search results. So when someone searches for Christmas gifts near me or holiday sales in your city, your business pops up. The first step is to claim and optimize your Google business profile. This is like your online storefront, so make sure it's decorated for the holidays, update your holiday hours, add photos of your festive decorations, and highlight any special promotions you're running. Encourage your happy customers to leave reviews. Reviews are social proof, and they can make a big difference in attracting new customers, especially during the holiday season. Respond to reviews, both positive and negative, to show that you're engaged and that you care about your customers' experiences. Don't forget to use local keywords throughout your website and online content. This could include your city, neighborhood, or even specific landmarks near your store. And here's a fun tip: consider hosting a holiday event at your store. This is a great way to attract foot traffic and generate some buzz. You could have a Santa visit, a gift wrapping station, or even offer holiday discounts and promotions. Remember, local SEO is all about connecting with customers in your community and making it easy for them to find you during the busy holiday season. Chapter 5, 'Tis the Season for Backlinks. Partner up. Our final SEO strategy for boosting your holiday sales is all about building high-quality backlinks. Now, backlinks are like virtual endorsements from other websites, telling Google that your website is trustworthy and authoritative. And during the holidays, when competition is fierce, backlinks can give you a serious edge. So how do you get these valuable backlinks? One effective strategy is to partner with other businesses or influencers for holiday promotions. This is a win-win situation, as it allows you to tap into each other's audiences and expand your reach. For example, let's say you're a bakery. You could partner with a local coffee shop for a cookies and coffee Christmas special. You could cross-promote each other on social media, offer a joint discount, and even create a special landing page on your websites to promote the partnership. Another great way to earn backlinks is by reaching out to bloggers and journalists in your industry. Many of them are actively looking for gift ideas, holiday recipes, or seasonal stories to feature on their websites. Create a compelling pitch that highlights your unique products or services and how they can benefit their audience during the holidays. And don't forget to offer them something in return, such as a free sample, a discount code, or even just early access to your holiday promotions. The key to building high-quality backlinks is to focus on providing value. Don't just spam other websites with requests for links. Instead, focus on building genuine relationships and creating content that others will find valuable and want to share. Remember, backlinks are a crucial part of any successful SEO strategy, and they can be especially effective during the holiday season when competition is at its peak. And there you have it, our top 5 SEO strategies to boost your sales this Christmas. To recap: 1. Optimize for seasonal keywords. 2. Create holiday-specific content. 3. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly. 4. Leverage local SEO. And 5. Build backlinks with holiday partnerships. Implement these tips and you'll be ready to slay this holiday season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to boost their holiday sales. Happy holidays and happy selling!